kind of eating, you will understand all about some prickly pear. This is prickly pear cactus, and you can see there is new growth coming up on these older ones. Now we've cut this one back. She got really big and started falling over, and look at there, we have a little ladybug enjoying the prickly pear. Now she's just resting. She's not going to eat it. She's just sitting there resting. And you can see all of these new growths coming on this prickly pear. Now what you can do with the prickly pear is when these get a little more mature, even now you could take them and you just knock off those little spinies, and you would cut it like green beans, cut it to about the size of a green bean, and you would saute it on dry heat. No oil, no butter, and if you have a compote, you could use that, of course. But dry heat, and you would just cook them to their little tender. Prickly pear grows a fruit on the top of it. It almost looks like, a radish almost, but it's spiny, but it's a sweet fruit. And some people do acquire a taste for it, but if it's ripened correctly and it's grown, it's very delicious. And man, the vitamins and nutrients that thing jam packs in there is just incredible. It's kind of like enjoying a dragon fruit. It is amazing, and it's delicious, and they get fairly big. They're bigger than a plum. So those are the prickly pear fruit. Now if it goes to fruit, the wonderful thing is you can take these, once the fruit comes out on top, take the leaves, the cactus itself, and cut it or break it, and cut it into slithers like the size of a green bean, and saute it and eat it. So here we have a pretty good patch. So tell me, have you ever eaten prickly pear? Have you enjoyed this delicious vegetable / that grows a fruit? That would be great to know about. Let me know in the comments. This is Elizabeth at Dandelion North, your practical apothecary.